Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Biscuit Ka Halwa. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of your favorite digestive biscuits. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of ghee, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water. Don't forget a small pinch of cardamom powder for that aromatic touch. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Begin by crushing your 200 grams of biscuits into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor or a rolling pin. Next, heat 1/4 cup of ghee in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the ghee is warm, add the crushed biscuit crumbs and roast them gently for about 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. For the next step, in a separate pot, combine 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of sugar. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a clear syrup. Carefully pour this hot sugar syrup into the pan with your roasted biscuit crumbs. Stir continuously and vigorously to prevent lumps, allowing the mixture to thicken into a delicious halwa. To finish, stir in a pinch of cardamom powder for an extra layer of flavor. You can also garnish your halwa with some chopped nuts, such as almonds or pistachios, for added texture and presentation. Serve the warm biscuit halwa immediately as a delightful dessert. This quick and easy recipe is perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.